Dude, we're about to start meal prepping for the whole week. This is gonna be like the cutting side of the meal prepping that I'm doing. I was already bulking for a little bit, so now I need to lose weight. So this is what I'm gonna be doing for this week. I'm gonna do some shredded chicken. I already started it, so and there's gonna be a little bit of rice, some vegetables. You're always gonna need one of these handy. Because whenever you start measuring your food, you have to measure your food, how much you're eating, so you know how many calories you're getting in, how many calories you're gonna get out. You're gonna do this. This is gonna be for lunch. I'm gonna do a lot of vegetables, a lot of protein, a little bit of carbs. Just the carbs will be just so it can fill you up during the day and you're not trying to snack. What we're gonna do for breakfast is gonna be some egg whites right here. We're gonna do it with some over roasted turkey breast. This is what you always have to check on. You have to always check on 60 calories per 4 slices. So every 4 slices that has 60 calories right there. So you always have to check for that all the time, everywhere you go. You go right here, that's how you measure stuff. You see the container is like 3 tablespoons have 20 calories. That's what you have to always check for that. Man, this is how you measure it. Then after that, so you come over here and you got a scale, and on the scale you turn it on. I say I already got my veggies, my rice, so and you put it on right there, and it's gonna tell you. So on this I have about 150 grams of carbs, so that'll be the rice, and I have about 145 of veggies. So you talk about, it's like 200 calories on the rice and about, I would say, like 80 calories on the veggies. So now whenever you add that, do you want to add the chicken, you're gonna try to see that you want to add around like 300 calories of chicken plus the protein and all that. So you do that, so you have a meal that have around 500 to 600 calories. You don't want to go over that, because then whenever you're going over that, then it's like to gain more. For the chicken, this is the chicken that we're gonna use, or the protein we're gonna use for the rice and for the whole meal prep that we're gonna do for the week. What you do to shred it, you get 2 forks and you start pulling it apart. And this is like chicken breast, you know. You start pulling it all apart. You see, and it start coming all off like that. And you do it all on all of them. Then what you do is you get the broth, where you cook the chicken on, then you're gonna move it to another pot. And then once you move it to another pot, there's gonna be the chicken broth from the thing. You get some tomato sauce, and you put some tomato sauce in there. There's gonna be like 3 of this. Once you do that, you finish shredding the chicken, you put that back in there so it can give it more flavor and all that. Once it's gonna, you let it cook for a little bit, it's gonna get thick, it's gonna thicken up. Once you do that, then that's whenever you add it to your meal prep, and that's how you're gonna mix it, and it's gonna give it the flavor for the rice and the rest of the meal. Just like this, you see. I got thick leches now. This is supposed to be. You just go, add this, and put it over there. But look at the fluke of the rest. Ooh-wee. Yep, a whole fucking chef. That's how you do it. And just like that, we're already done with the meal prep for the week. I was gonna tell you too, I like to use adobo goya so it can give it some flavor. There's another seasoning that I use. And chicken broth. There you go, caldo de pollo. So, and like you see, and you remember, whenever you're making meal prep, try to make meal prep so it can taste good. You don't have to make boring meal prep. You just have to find your flavors that you like. You just have to measure everything that you eat, so everything come out good. I mean, if you're enjoying your food, then you're gonna stick to the plan. You're gonna stick to your diet, and you're gonna get to where you want to be. This is the finished product of the meal prep for the breakfast. So as you can see, so I'll measure it out. A little bit of cheese. I have egg whites, turkey, and a little bit of potatoes. You already know.
You can get some muscle while you're losing weight.
And then for dinner, what I do is something like this. I'll be fish with avocado and some tomatoes, or I just do a salad, something like, because I mean, you're gonna go to sleep, so you want something. A couple of days later, and this is just to finish up the video. Then the last thing you have to add to the diet is cardio. You need to do at least 30 minutes of cardio, and if you add cardio to the diet, at least like 1 to 2 pounds a week, you'll be losing. So you do some steady state cardio, whatever you like. You can go bike, treadmill, walk, whatever. As long as you add in like 30 minutes of cardio, you should be set. And that's what I'm doing right now. And you don't got no excuse, because I work 14 hours a day, just like today, and I'm here at the gym. Like, I even have my work clothes. See? And I'm here 14 hours a day. And I already did my weight training, and now I'm out here doing cardio. Yeah.